What are we waiting on? Well, we're about to start now. Okay. I want to just get it first. Okay. Yes. Okay. It's 300. Yeah. It's what it is at this point. At this point. Yeah, I don't want to thank you very much. Thank you so much.
All right, guys. So I am currently at the location for Sultan's burial, and I know a lot of you guys have been trying to join the Zoom, and we are not. You guys are not able to join the Zoom link, so I'll be going live from my platform, so that every one of you can be part of this is burial service as well. So please, if you know anyone that has been trying to go on the link, on the Zoom link, and they are not able to join us, they can join this live right now. I'll try my best to keep this up throughout the entire service. All right, so
I'm gonna try.
I've gone live now, so you see already. So it's more people are going to start joining.
Yeah, but that's why
it's going up to 300.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what that's why definitely
I need the people. You click. Hello, can you hear me? Of course. Hello? Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
You see what I mean? What do you think? Okay.
But we don't want to
No, you just, until what's it called? All right, guys. So everything is going to kick off. Yeah, I'll be able to save this. Yes. Yeah. So immediately after this set, we're going next. Okay. All right, guys. So you guys should bear with us. We're about 5 minutes out. The moment this, they're preparing, and the moment this group of people are, this set of people are done, we'll be going in next. So please invite as many people as you can to join this live. You have like 2 cars behind you.
Hey,
okay.
Listen, real quick. You created the Zoom thing, right? Yeah. So it's limited to 100 people. Can you make it 5,000?
Michael, are you okay?
Can you just open it? Why not just open it? All they can do is just watch it. Yeah, just make it public. Open it. Don't limit it. 100 people. I think we have almost 100 people here. Yeah, open it completely.
Okay.
Please, and text me when it's done. Thank you. We're here now. I'll video call you.
All right, guys. You guys heard it. Everything is coming on gradually, and if you're not able to join the Zoom link, you can watch live here. I will keep this running throughout the entire burial service. So please feel free to invite as many people as possible that are not able to join on the Zoom link as well, that they can experience it with us here.
Pin him or pin hashtag #SultanSultan. Like in the pin.
Yeah, so like this. Pin. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Just so that.
Doesn't have to be loud.
It doesn't have to be loud, yeah, but at least.
And we'll use this man car way they here now.
Yeah, so we. Is it inside? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. The guy driving this car.
That's where the money is, yeah.
All right, guys. So I'll be keeping you guys updated as it goes, and we lost a great one today. This is Lamborghini.
Okay.
Yeah, LA.
I want to tell them to follow instead of this.
Okay, you know what? Mopi use the same one. You feel add me so that people way they
No,
will.
he's doing live.
I'm doing live.
You feel add me to the live on Instagram.
You can join.
Yeah, you can join the live.
You can join the live.
Yeah, I want people. Okay, if I join,
So you
I
just
want
give them
people
this. Just tell them to go on this. That's what
Yeah,
I wanna
that's
do.
all. That's what they need to do.
You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I'm sending this. You understand?
Yeah.
Tell them to join, to go on live with that. So that makes it easier. That was a smart one.
Yeah, because not everybody will be able to join the Zoom right now. All right, guys. So if you're here and you're not able to join the Zoom, and you know people that are trying to join the Zoom and they would love to be a part of the burial ceremony, please, you can share this live so that people can know that we're transmitting live from the what is it? That we're transmitting live from the from where we're having the burial ceremony. Please share this live to as many people that will be able to join. We're in another 5-10 minutes. We're going to start the burial service.
Lamborghini double N.
Yes, please.
I'm posting it.
So, guys, please share this live to as many people as possible. We're going to start up in another 5-10 minutes. Continue to share this live, guys. Yes. LA.
What did you put? Sunset and
Yeah, I just said the Sun Sultan's burial service in New Jersey. Please continue to share this live. Tag as many people that you think will want to be here. Continue to share the live. Tag many people as possible.
So you can join the live. You can join the Zoom live.
Okay, great. And if you want,
good now.
and for as many of you that still wants to join the Zoom, you can also join the Zoom too. Please continue to share this live to as many people as possible. Everyone that you think would love to be a part of this burial ceremony for the great legendary Sultan. We're kicking off in another 5-10 minutes. Like I said, we're just waiting for this group of people to be done, and once they are done, we will be driving in to lay the legendary Sound Sultan to rest. Thank you all so much. Continue to share this live to as many people as possible. Continue to share this live. I know a lot of people would have loved to be here today, but they can't. We're currently in New Jersey. Just in case you are close by, you're in New Jersey, and you want to be a part of this, you can also still be a part of this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't go anywhere, guys. Continue to share this live to as many people as possible. Let's celebrate the legacy of the great Sound Sultan. Let's celebrate the great legacy of the, everybody, oh yeah, oh, join Jampajantis. You said? Yeah, if you join my Instagram and then you can share it. Yeah, that's me. So it tells you to share, like, I think. Yeah, so you just click and send it to as many people as well. Thank you so much, guys. Continue to share this live. We want to share to as many people as possible. Mike, are you okay?
Okay.
You're good, right? Mr. Rabba, you okay? I know, right? Yeah. We have to celebrate the great legacy, Everybody, oh yeah, oh, join Jampajantis, solve mathematics with the Dabaru, our continent. Oh, Yibo say, now board mass, we go use take, solve mathematics. Are you able to figure out the Zoom? Please, guys, continue to share this live. Are you able to get the Zoom?
Yes, I'm able to get it.
Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. So I have this as well, and then we have the Zoom. Hey, guys, so if you're not able to join the Zoom, at least you can join. You can also catch it live here on Instagram. But please, as much as possible, join the Zoom link and continue to share the great legacy of the legendary Sound Sultan. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
I was saying that can you maybe like call somebody that can also use his own, because a lot of people wants to join and they can't have access, so it's not easy to inform everybody to join.
Yeah. Okay.
See
So
somebody that has a big
let's
phone,
see.
maybe like somebody. Can you call somebody? You can call him on the
Okay.
video, yeah.
Okay. Let me try. Let me see. Sorry, guys. It's almost time. Please bear with us. Please bear with us. Please bear with us. It's almost time. We're about 5-10 minutes away. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Shane, is he walking? Black, are you good?
Benny.
Let me quickly ask bear with us, guys. Continue to share this live and just bear with us. This is a live transmission. This is for those of you that are not able to join the Zoom. That's why I'm doing this, you know, so we all can be part of the burial ceremony of the great legendary Sound Sultan. Our heart is broken, but at the same time, we have to celebrate his great legacy. He blessed and touched everyone. He touched everyone. He touched everyone. We're almost ready, guys. It's almost time. We're almost ready. We are almost ready, guys. It's almost time.
So he just said he wants her to sign. When she signs, you can go. Thank you. Thank you.
Is it almost time?
Yeah, it's almost time.
Okay.
Get in there.
All right, guys. Hanging in there. It's almost time. We're moving soon.
And how long does it take to make?
8 months. We are other companies 8 months. Ours, not mine. I don't do the most does. Our manufacturer guys does from St. Island 4 months and under. Other companies from the COVID 8 months, 1 year. One has done. But our the boss doing business.
If you know about Sound Sultan, you would know that today we lost a great one.
He's gonna have the money. I'm gonna do it.
We lost a great one today, and this is. Continue to tag people. Continue to tag as many people as you can to be a part of the burial service right now, the burial ceremony. continue to share this live. Tag as many people as you can. Anyone that you think should be a part of this or would love to be a part of this and they are not able to join the Zoom, please share this to as many people as you can.
You're gonna text me what you like to do on the stone.
I'll be like, okay, I'm ready now.
Please continue to share this live and tag as many people as you can. This is the burial service for the legendary Sultan. We will be laying him to rest in a few moments from now. Thank you guys for hanging in there. Please bear with us. We're almost there. Mr. Tunde, we're good, right?
Yeah, she just got to sign to start the process.
Okay.
We're about to start.
Okay, guys,
we're
so
waiting for one signature from the wife.
Okay, and then we're
gonna
good.
start.
Okay. All right, guys, you heard it right now. Mr. Tunde just confirmed that we're about to start, and we're just about 5 minutes out, right?
They're signing the papers now for the final proceedings. Once the signatures are in, we'll start the process, and we're picking the stones as well.
Okay, fantastic. You guys heard it right now.
Call me so that some people can get it from us.
From who?
Yeah, I just request to
Okay.
join us live.
Yeah, but your network is not. See, so can you restart your network? So by the time. All right, guys. So you heard it. We're almost ready to go.
There's no way I can restart it. No, it's no. Okay.
Your place is like
The guys stop and start another one afresh. Okay, I think it's my network that is really messing.
All right, guys. Continue to share this. Continue to share this live. And tag as many people as you can. Like you guys heard, we're about to kick off any moment from now. Michael, are you okay? All right. Yes, guys, continue to share. Continue to share. We're kicking off any moment from now. Please share this live. Tag as many people as you think you can that would love to be a part of the burial ceremony for the legendary Sultan. So, guys, please continue to share this live.
How do I go live, sir?
All right, guys, please continue to share this live. Currently, I don't know what's going on with the Zoom link, but I know with this platform right now, you guys will be able to witness as we lay the legendary Sultan to rest in any moment from now. And once the Zoom link is back up, you guys will be able to join as well. But so far, this is what we have right now, and I'm keeping you guys updated.
Okay? Nothing to change? Okay. This is the bill for the funeral. And plus we have to pay
If she's crying like that, how she will console her?
All right, you guys just witnessed the signing of the document, and it's almost time.
You already gave me 300?
No.
Okay.
No, leave this in. Leave this in.
It's almost time, guys. So, like I said earlier on, continue to share this live and tag as many people that you think possible that would like to be a part of this ceremony. It's almost time, guys.
Okay, I need that information because they don't have the one that you sent.
Please, where's Blacker?
Michael, you good, right? So just keep rolling. All right, guys. Like I said earlier on, it's almost time. Try your best to invite as many people as possible. Anyone that is not able to join the Zoom link, this is the best I can do right now. And please continue to share to as many people as possible. Continue to share this live. Continue to share this live, guys. We're just few minutes out. We're a few minutes out.
So what do I need to do? Just accept it like they come in?
So do we have to drive up? What do you need?
I need to have a portable charger to make sure my phone is on the pound.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't have that.
Do you know how to do this to be the host?
Okay.
That's Zoom link. That's Zoom, right? They have to send.
None of us in the
Okay.
Zoom yet.
Okay.
None of us here are
Nah, tell her that they're expanding it now. So.
They're sending a new link. I'm gonna send it to you guys.
Okay, they're sending a new link. As soon as they send it, I'll text it to you. Yeah, I'll send it to you.
All right, guys. It's almost time. Keep sharing this live. Keep tagging people.
Very sad situation now. One more.
Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. At least I know I'm here, and you guys are going to be able to join and be part of the burial. Keep sharing the link. Keep sharing it. Keep sharing it, guys. keep sharing this link. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Tag as many people as you can. We're starting any moment from now.
No, I'm not. I'm just sending. I'm gonna do Yeah, I'm I can't do it.
Guys, we're so sorry. It's almost time. It's almost time, guys. Sorry, guys. It's almost time.
Good morning. You're welcome to Japan. My name is Sultan, your new mathematics teacher. By the way, do you understand pidgin English? Yes! Okay, now what we go use this for? Okay, carry your paper. Carry your paper. Them for my class. People of this world, them plenty. Sins of this people, many. So many. Many times plenty, multiplier. Many times plenty, multiplier. I am the answer you get now waiting the big money. The answer you get now waiting the make rich man the mess and leaders the lie. The answer you get now waiting they make young boys and girls join body. Answer you get now waiting they make innocent man rot inside the jail. And they no green to plant a bed. Everybody, join Japanese, salt mathematics. We need our continent, so so follow Japanese. So ya Kariba, before brotherhood. Love your neighbor as a Oh, for objectivity. For democracy, M for modification. A, accountability. A, take am easy. S for solidarity. We enter new millennium. Nigerians like 120 million. One population na 6 billion. Divide that 1 by 120 million. All together we are. All together. The answer you get now waiting the big people Niger. The answer you get now waiting the big people travel. The answer you get now waiting the big people they sleep for embassy for visa. Answer you get now waiting the big people they sell the property for children. Get it.
Sure.
So I just decided to go my own line. Like,
Okay, so you did too.
I did like with the singer.
Yeah. Good. All right, guys, it's almost time. Like I said to you guys, if you're not able to join the Zoom, this live is going to be up and running for the entire ceremony. And it's almost time. You guys can see that we're almost ready. So keep sharing this live. Invite as many people as you can. It's almost time. Thank you, guys. How far? How's it going? You're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fantastic. Okay. It's almost time, guys. It's almost time. It's almost time, guys. Brothers killing, brother doing pay. Salvation resolutions are made, but always baby like a mission and perfection. For the seeking solutions, only God is solve. Living every go equation. Thanks for your contribution. Now, any more questions? Sorry, Tunde. So sorry, Tunde. So sorry. Black, are you okay? So sorry, guys. Everything is kicking off right now. Blacker. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Sorry. Blacker. Sorry. Blacker. Sorry, brother, man. Sorry. Sorry, Blacker. Alright, guys, we're kicking off any moment from now, like I said earlier on. Okay, so all you need to do is just go here. Sorry, guys, like I said, it's almost time. Where's Michael? Michael? You good? Okay. So sorry, boss. So sorry, boss. So sorry. So sorry, boss. Yeah, more people are coming on now. Yeah. So sorry. So sorry. So sorry, brother.
No, I sent it to the group chat.
So sorry.
Yes.
So sorry. Yeah, okay.
Okay, he's on now. He's on. Yeah.
Them for my
Yeah, Baba, do more.
Hey. Brother.
Yo, here.
You want to see that?
Is this Larry's burial?
Yes, please.
I have this good on my phone. Just take my phone from them and do it on my phone.
Yeah.
I'll call you.
She just signed so now that you guys are there, I think we're going to start. That's the only thing. Let me ask Mr. Tan. So, Mr. Tulu. So sorry.
Once they do the link, you can go.
Okay, once they do the link, yeah, okay. But so far, the life is increasing.
Oh, yeah, keep it on. He's making the link.
Okay, Bolaji is making the link. Okay.
Once it's done now,
All right, guys, you guys heard that. We're almost. All right, guys, so we're going to kick off any moment from now. Like I said earlier on, just keep sharing this to as many people that would want to be a part of this, as many as possible. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
do me a favor. Okay, that's it. Okay, no problem. We're good. Okay.
All right, guys. So it's almost time.
Just go there and then we're going.
So that's all.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that all that we're waiting for, right?
Yes.
now? Okay.
Well, once he set up the link, right?
Yes.
Send it to the family. That way the family member can join through that link.
Through that link.
We're just walking through there and we're going to get everything
All right.
started.
All right, guys. So just give us a few more minutes. Mr. Bolaji right here is trying to set up the link. So that is the link the family members will be using to join the ceremony as well, the service. So once that is done, we'll kick off. So continue to share this to as many people as you think will want to be a part of this. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for holding up. Yeah, I think they're waiting for us. What is this one that you're Oh, okay. Okay.
Akim. Okay, sure, Akim. Okay, you know what, Babadi, I dey control something here, right? Akim go just there on the phone more. So,
You're good?
Akim on my phone right now. Talk to Babadi. He said he make sure they admit, so just in case it's wrong.
Is yours working now? Okay. So we're just waiting for Mr. Bolaji's link to be ready. Yeah.
She gave this emotional thing. How she could come to understand it. He's still on the phone with you.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
No, there's not giving it up. Because you left the
So guys, like I said, continue to share this live, continue to for as many people as possible that want to be a part of it. Okay, is that link ready?
I don't know, whatever link. The first one they did.
So who's in charge of that link?
I'm that too, but Babadi is trying to. I want Akim to be with the phone just in case. It's black. It's an iPhone.
Does anyone have?
Who's talking to Babadi right now?
Does anyone have a portable charger?
Anyone with a portable charger?
Does anyone have a portable charger?
No, portable.
It's the only way is to turn the car on and charge inside.
Yeah, that's
No, it's still charged. It's still like half charged. The one that it's still charged.
Thank you guys for hanging in there. It's almost time, like I said. Thank you guys.
We're going now.
We're going now.
Does anyone have a portable charger?
Oh no.
Thank you very much. Thank you for picking up the phone. You relieve me, please. When I called you at 4:06, I was scared that on a Sunday.
Put it in the front of the car. Direction stuff.
But it's not gonna be over there.
Sorry for whatever.
So are we driving all the way there? No, we can walk. Okay, we can walk, right?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Where is the imam?
Moose.
Where is the imam?
Moose.
Yeah, it's time. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Okay, the guy's on. He's giving us food. And this is yours. This is my phone. We're waiting for the imam. Okay. Yeah, the imam is right here. Yeah, they're coming up. Yeah, they're coming up.
All right, guys. Like I said earlier on, we're starting any moment from now. Thank you all for holding on. And please continue to share this live to as many. I think this is one of the very lives that is up right now. So the imam is here. Is the imam here?
That's the imam right there.
Okay. And for those of you that are not able to, this is
the link.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Let's get it. Guys, do me a favor. We're just going straight.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're done. Guys, do me a favor, right? Everybody, let's just walk this way, please.
Okay.
In a straight line. In a straight line, please. Just after them, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Everyone. Blanca. Yeah. One you take picture, guys. Larry one in Texas.
Okay, recognize it. Oh, I'm being hold on. Photographer to the Baba.
Yeah, Sheye one.
Oh, Roger. Tomiwa. Ayo. Aroyo one. Bro.
Yeah, Sheye one.
Anybody on Zoom?
So the person can be in front.
Okay.
Shem is on Zoom, then I'm on live as well. Yeah.
So you
Okay. You're the one in charge of the Zoom? Okay. Okay. Okay, I should stay here, right?
Where's my phone? No, you can't turn my phone off. That's the Zoom.
That's the. I don't need those. OBJ. What's going on?
Okay. Okay.
Godwin, on mute. One for sure.
All right.
Only lead camera. Babadi now very. God, this high priest.
Brother, make this one. Like
Okay.
this.
Yeah, we will do that later.
The other way, right? Okay.
in his family and his household to the day of judgment, inshallah. We are here today for purpose of our brother that Almighty Allah will stand for him to go and rest. This is the right. There was a day Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the messenger of Allah, is in the crowd with the speaking, Sahaba, and a man came to him. This man said, "Oh, Prophet Allah, you have been here that you are repeating about the next life, which is Yom al-Qiyamah, Yom al-Qiyamah. Then he asked her, when is it going to happen? Tell us." Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You don't need to know about that. That's knowledge. But what is your preparation towards that? That's the first thing that you need to ask yourself. So which is the same to me and you. Because we, of course, we really know that this day is going to happen to us. But no one knows time except Almighty Allah. This is the reason why we need to make our preparation. We are here in this life, not for only purpose of marriage, or purpose of raising children, or purpose of having the dream. All this, of course, is part of it. But at the same time, we need to know Almighty Allah, the Creator, the everlasting one. So this is the reason why He sends His messenger to us, so that He can remind us this day. What our brothers want to give out now is only the salat, meaning that prayer. Then is good deeds towards religion. Because I was here, this is my first time, even though I don't think that I have crossed him in his life. But I heard from what the people say that he was so honest to the people. This part of what Almighty Allah needs from us. This is the reason why we are here, I believe. Because I know that once purpose that, oh, this man, oh, I have to go there. So this is what Almighty Allah wants from me and you, my brothers and sisters in Islam. So we still have the opportunity. For him now, believe me, the lecture has nothing to do with it. But for us, we still have the opportunity. Let's try ourselves. Let's devote our time to Almighty Allah and know our Lord. By doing this, believe me, one day whenever we return to Him, then Almighty Allah will accommodate us. So we ask Almighty Allah to please give Him the rest in peace in the graveyard. May Almighty Allah forgive him his sin. May Almighty Allah accept him into the paradise. Inshallah, by the grace of Almighty Allah. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا عليك توكلنا وإليك أنبنا وإليك المصير. Inshallah, right now, the next one is to pray over him, okay, accordingly. So this is the recommendation of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So it's our duty to do that, and we ask Almighty Allah to please board him into paradise. So if you want to join us, please. So if you don't have, that's another thing, if you don't have ablution, so that's we have to just stay back, okay? So if you want to join us. So what we need to do is for takbir. Takbir means that we say Allah Akbar. We have to do 4. Okay, the first one we recite Surah Al-Fatiha as well. The second one we recite the Salat. So Salat Ibrahimiyya, because the one that we used to do after exactly. So and the fourth one we pray for our brother. And the fourth, then we pray for all of them. leave together first. Inshallah, that's it. And then you mix. Don't make Allah separate. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Where's the head?
The head is down with it. Put in the head is down with it. Somebody needs to grab it.